Breaking news here on The Day Trader. Everyone's telling you to sell, get out of the market, sell into strength. How the hell do you sell into strength when you're down 40%? But as you can see right now, I'm up 3% today. I'm holding. I keep holding. I keep buying the dips. I keep repositioning. The markets are getting worse and worse every day. I'm always on the edge of margin. As you can see, that red line there is margin. If I click on there, look, you can see margin maintenance line. I've been sat on it now for days. Now, it's very, very important. Meet Kevin last night said on his channel, if you're using margin, it's suicide. You can go bankrupt. That is completely inaccurate. That is completely untrue. And let me tell you why that statement is ridiculous. And I know I've lost everything in the past. I've been bankrupt before. Bankrupt means when you owe money, you can't pay back. They take away assets. So they come and take your car. They come and take your house, whatever. If you have invested on the stock market and if you have margin, you can only lose what's on your portfolio. If you're down and you have to sell when you're down, the money is already in your portfolio. They do not come knocking on your door and say, you're bankrupt, you owe us money. That cannot happen. All that happens is they will sell the stocks you have and you will be down. That's it. They always have your money in your portfolio, your house, your car, your assets. They do not come after that. No one comes knocking on your door and say, you're bankrupt. That's absolutely ridiculous. When Meet Kevin said that last night, I had to come on here and correct that. Meet Kevin, you are incorrect. If you use margin on Robinhood or any portfolio, you cannot go bankrupt. You will just lose the shares in your portfolio if you're selling when you're down. And all you have to do is keep above that line. If I drop below today $1,000, I would sell $1,000 worth of my shares. I would bring myself up back above that line and keep doing it. And eventually it'll be over and eventually we'll be up. And all that would happen is eventually all my assets would be down and that's it. But you can't go bankrupt just because you use margin. So Meet Kevin, please do not tell people they can go bankrupt using margin. They cannot. You can go bankrupt if you borrow money on credit cards and bank loans and the bank comes after you. But when you're using margin, you cannot go bankrupt on your account. They just take away the assets in your account. That's it. There you go. You never had them anyway until you sold them, right? That's how it works. Take care of yourselves and each other.